me come warm you up. You've been out in the snow, baby, my tongue goes numb. Sounds like ho ho ho. I don't want San Jose's underneath this old tree. Here's a little carol I wrote. It's about you and me. You're my wish list. Looking at you got me thinking Christmas. Snowflakes in my stomach when we're kissing. And when you're coming down the chimney, oh, it feels so good. I need a Charles Dickens. You'll be Santa Claus and I'll be Mrs. I'll take you for a ride, I'll be your vixen. I don't even know I'm talking Christmas. I'm talking decking all the halls. I'm talking spike and eggnog. I'm talking opposite of small. I'm talking big snowballs. You got a new toy from me. I'm out here trimming the tree. I caught that holiday glee. My true love gave it to me. And let me come warm you up. Even out